If you are new to my channel and want to educate yourself more about herpes viruses, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to ring on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to watch my uploaded videos every day. Let's put an end to the herpes virus.
Male genital herpes symptoms NHS. Symptoms of genital herpes on men frequently begin quite light. It is easy to oversight them for signs of a tiny acne or even ingrown hair. Herpes sores look like little, reddish bumps or even white-colored blisters. They can easily appear in any area, penis shaft, penis head, or even all around it. If among these blisters ruptures, you may see an unpleasant ulcer developing in its place. It might ooze liquid or even create you discomfort when urinating. As the ulcer heals, it'll form a scab. Avoid the urge to pick at the scab, which will certainly just aggravate the area more. When an ulcer heals, a scab will certainly form. It is essential not to pick at or irritate a herpes sore. Various other possible genital herpes symptoms consist of itchiness in your male genitals, discomfort in your male genitals, flu-like symptoms, consisting of body aches as well as high fever as well as swollen lymph nodes in your groin area. Does genital herpes in men regularly cause symptoms? Each viruses could be spread out with having unprotected penis, anal, or even oral sex along with somebody that has actually the virus. Genital herpes has no cure, however there are actually treatments that can easily aid control symptoms. Genital herpes does not constantly cause symptoms. You might not also recognize you have actually herpes up till you pass it to another person or you get tested. If you've had herpes previously as well as are following a treatment program, you will have actually periods of time with no symptoms. These are referred to as latent time periods. However, this does not imply you no longer have the virus. And you can easily still pass the virus to others during a latent period, though, however, the danger is actually reduced. Exactly how soon do male genital herpes symptoms show up? Symptoms have the tendency to start all of a sudden anywhere from 2 days to 2 full weeks after you have been actually subjected to the virus. The appearance of symptoms is actually referred to as an outbreak. After your first outbreak is managed, you might have actually subsequent outbreaks throughout the following year as well as periodically throughout the rest of your life. Exactly how can I verify whether I have actually male genital herpes? Herpes does not constantly trigger symptoms, therefore your best option is actually to make a consultation along with a healthcare provider. They might be able to detect you just by taking a look at your symptoms. They might likewise get a liquid sample coming from a sore as well as test it or have you carry out a blood test. You will most probably be asked some questions about your sexual background. It is extremely important that you are truthful in your responses. This will certainly assist to identify whether you should be evaluated for any other sexually transmitted infections while you are there. Exactly how are male genital herpes managed? Keep in mind, there is no cure for herpes. However, antiviral medicine can easily assist to stop the virus from replicating as well as decrease the number of outbreaks you have. This may also decrease your risk of passing the virus to others. Typical antiviral medicines used for herpes consist of acyclovir, Zovirax, famciclovir, Famvir, valacyclovir, Valtrex. For many people, taking the medicines at the very initial sign of an outbreak is enough. However, if you have actually constant outbreaks, you might require everyday medication. For discomfort as well as itch relief, try to maintain your male genitals as clean as possible during an outbreak. You can easily likewise use a covered ice pack a couple of times a day.
Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel for my upcoming herpes treatment videos.